Edo APC don't raise alarm over Obaseki denial of campaign posters and adverts for Edo State. All Progressives Congress for Edo State don't allege say Governor Godwin Obaseki no gree allow them fix billboards for any part of the state. APC chairman for Edo State, Colonel David Imuse retired, talk say the APC Edo South senatorial candidate pay for 55 billboards since 28 July, but them still never display any of the billboards till date. He talk say APC no fit even display the billboard of their presidential candidate. Imuse constantly talk say 2023 election dey different from Edo 2020 election and can't give government 1 week to allow them fix their billboards.
Our senatorial candidate, Edo South, paid for 55 billboards, for a total of 85 billboards since 28th of July. Till date, those billboards have not been displayed. The few that were displayed in Igwobazwa, in Okada Junction, on Lagos Benin Road, they've all been removed by these councils. It's not only the senatorial candidate. Our candidate for Via Federal Constituency is also affected. Our candidate for Kobaka Ego Federal Constituency, same thing. Even billboard meant for our presidential candidates, we cannot host them because of this illegal directive by a man who is supposed to be a governor in a democratic regime. Obaseki should be made to understand that 2020 is different from 2023 elections. This is a national election, presidential, National Assembly, and House of Assembly. You should not take our law-abiding attitude for granted. If this decision is not rescinded within the next 1 week, I also assure you that the Edo people will ensure that no billboard of Obaseki's political parties or certain candidates in other parties being sponsored by Obaseki will be allowed to be displayed. It's not a threat. That is the wish of Edo people. What I'm saying now to members of the public, and especially the security agencies, is to ensure that Obaseki is called to order. So Edo State will not be turned to a banana republic, and then we begin to have a situation where we have lawlessness and breakdown of law and order.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget your PVC name your power. Not tell I'm giving a politician on election day.